This is an Amazon wig, and look how I plucked it like it came straight from a luxury vendor. And if your lace ain't lasting through the heat, the gym, and a full night's sleep, you need Lay Tight Lace Glue. She's strong, she's waterproof, and she's not going anywhere. But listen, if you're not spreading your glue wide enough like this, that's where you're messing up. After the lace is placed, I'm locking it in with my Laid Vanish melting spray. This just seals everything in and really helps it melt into your skin. Also, making slits into your lace makes it easier for when you go in with the razor and cut it. Now, I don't know what they did to this lace, but baby, it's slicing like butter on a hot biscuit. Amazon came through. I seriously love this Laid Vanish melting spray because you can use it for a full glueless install, a quick melt, or even just to lock your lace back in when it starts to act up and lift. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but I can't stress it enough. Use the cold setting on your blow dryer. Not warm, not hot, cold. That's how you get that real melt and you're able to pull on your wig like this without it slipping off. And this wig was $180 for 30 inches and I paid full price for it. I don't gatekeep, especially for the girlies who need solid Amazon wigs that aren't paid promos. Now peep this, it wasn't even a full frontal and I still ate with this side part. Don't play with me. Y'all know I had to throw some layers in here and I even cut 2 inches off just to give it a little shape and bounce. I'm curling the hair using my T3 curling iron in the 1.25 inch barrel because we're going for effortless body, not tight Shirley Temple curls. Don't touch them curls right away. I let mine sit for 15 minutes before combing them out. That's how you get that bounce and hold. Why is this Amazon wig giving rich auntie vibes? These highlights are blended way too good for $180. Quit sleeping on Amazon. This balayage highlight wig from Abalon is chef's kiss. But listen, this lace didn't lay itself. I used Laid Tight Lace Glue from Laid by Lonnie. You already know. Links in the bio for everything.